Welcome to this video, dear friend. Hope you are fine. Do you have skin tags around your neck or any part of the body and wonder about how to get rid of these tags? Then this video is for you. Please don't cut your tags by yourself. It is very painful and harmful. Similarly, surgery is expensive. Many people can't afford. Here you will be surprised to watch this effective homemade remedy and remove your skin tags without any side effects. Skin tags are harmless but irritating and looking odd around your neck or on the face. Let's come to the remedy without wasting your precious time. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, hit the neighbor bell icon and choose the all option so that you can get the latest upcoming video notification. Thanks. Let's start. Ingredients. The things you need for this remedy are as follows. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a part of this remedy because apple cider vinegar is acidic, has malic acid that has natural properties of providing to be an antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal treatment. So it helps a lot in shedding the skin tags faster. Number 2. Onion. Onion is rich in sulfur and also contains a large variety of antioxidants which are very beneficial in healing scars if caused after the skin tag has fallen. Number 3. Banana peel. Banana peel has enzymes and acids that are very helpful in shedding the skin tags. They also make them dry so that they fall off easily. Number 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a powerful exfoliant that breaks down and removes the cluster of dead skin cells and tissues that form skin tags without damaging the rest of the skin. Baking soda is a powerful astringent. It enables the skin under the skin tag to regain its lost elasticity and narrows down the blood supply to the skin tag. How to make this remedy? Friend, peel out a side of the banana and chopped its black side with a knife. A side piece is enough. Then put into a mortar and crush properly to make its paste. Add the banana paste to a bowl. Then crush onion in the mortar and squeeze its juice as you're watching. Add 1 teaspoon of onion juice. Now add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into it. And at the end, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into it. Now mix it well. Your remedy is ready, guys. How to use this remedy? Use a cotton piece, dip in this remedy and put on your tag and then overlap it with the Sunnyplast bandage or any tape. Keep it on your tag for up to an hour. Then you can remove it, guys. Use this remedy regularly 2 times a day. The tag will be removed after 3 to 4 days of use. This is it, guys. Hit the like on if this video helpful for you and share it on social media for your friends. May helpful for them. See you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.